How's it going? My name's Tucker from Contemporary Automotive. This right here is a 2023 Grand Cherokee Laredo L that we just took in. So I'm going to do a quick video, go over all the features, and just an overall walkthrough of this thing. Okay, starting out front, the first thing you're going to see is this bright white color. Such a nice color on these Grand Cherokees. You're also going to get the LED headlights up there and the iconic 7-slot front grille for pretty much all Jeeps, but the Grand Cherokee in general. Taking a walk on the side of the car now. Looking at it, this is going to be the third row option. There is a 2-row option, but this one is going to be a little bit longer than its 2-row counterpart. But starting off right down here, you get some 18-inch silver wheels. This is going to be a 4-wheel drive vehicle, so matched with those Goodyear tires, you're going to be driving with a lot of confidence when it comes to rain and snow. Also, you're going to have this black plastic at the very bottom. This is going to help so that any rocks that jump up when you're driving don't hit this paint, and they're going to hit that first and save your paint in the long run. These are going to be black side markers with blind spot monitoring detection, I mean. So if something's in your blind spot, you're going to get a little orange indicator letting you know it's there. It's also going to be heated, so if these are ever thawed or icy, snowy, you hit a button and it'll thaw out for you. But really nice. You also have the spot for a roof rack. So if you're an avid skier or you just want to put a cargo rack up there, nice and easy to put it up there. Taking a walk to the back of the vehicle, you are going to have park sense back here. So if you're backing up and you get too close to anything, it will beep and let you know on the dashboard. But coming back here, you have a button to hit to open it up. It'll fold up for you. You're going to have your floor mats back here. And as well, you can just check out the storage space. Like I said, you can fold down that third row or fold down the second row too to give you the maximum storage capacity. Coming inside the interior, you have captain seating back here for the second row. These are all going to be cloth seats all the way around, first row, second row, and third row. Right here, you're actually going to have some controls so that the people in the back seat can kind of control the heat or the AC how they would like. Just an added touch. You also have a ton of space for legroom, ton of space for storage right here if no one's sitting in that third row, everything like that. You also have some storage behind the driver's seats as well. Now, jumping into the front seat, you're gonna have cloth seating up here. You also have the redesign for the 22 plus years. You get this big swooping dash, swoops down here as well. Really nice look overall. You have your nice leather stitched steering wheel, bunch of buttons on that steering wheel to control everything from cruise control to some of the settings on the dashboard. You have a digital dashboard as well. Uconnect system, which is going to have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, Sirius XM if you would like it. Ton of really cool stuff packed into here. Bunch of settings as well too. Climate in there as well, but you also have climate down here so you can switch between whichever way you'd like. You have some of your options up here. Park sense, traction control, lane keep assist is all going to be up here, and your shifter is going to be right here. You also have some storage right here as well, if I can get it open like that. You have some storage down here. Here are the plugins. You also going to have cup holders and more space in the center console. And if you have any more questions or you think this one might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Give us a call, anything like that. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire. We're at Route 101.